Hello everyone, I'm Ankita Bhattad, a UI UX designer at Sports First. Thanks for tuning in. As a designer, I'm passionate about creating user-friendly designs. Today, I'm going to focus on payment section. I know that the payment section of any app is one of the most crucial parts of the user journey. Today, we are going to talk about how to design an effective and seamless payment section in a sports or fitness app, using Nike as an example. Whether you are upgrading to premium services or purchasing Nike gear, this part of the app needs to feel secure, quick, and easy. Let's dive into how Nike handles this and where there might be opportunities to improve. What is a payment section? The payment section is where users make their purchases or subscribe to services. In Nike, this could involve upgrading to premium memberships or purchasing Nike products such as shoes, apparel, or equipment. In the Nike app, the payment process is integrated into broader Nike ecosystem. For example, if a user wants to buy a pair of running shoes or upgrade to a Nike Training Club Premium membership, they are directed to a payment page. The payment flow could involve checking out via Apple Pay, Google Pay, or using a credit card. Nike's payment section doesn't just focus on digital subscriptions but also includes physical product purchases, making it an essential part of their e commerce experience. What makes a great payment section? Let's break down the key elements that make a great payment section using Nike as a reference. First, clear pricing information. Nike's app makes it easy for users to understand the pricing of various products like shoes or apparel and subscription plans like Nike Training Club Premium. The pricing details are presented clearly before checkout, leaving no confusion. Second, minimized step. Whether buying Nike gear or upgrading to premium features, Nike payment flow is streamlined. Users simply select the product or plan, confirm their details, and proceed to payment. This keeps the process quick and efficient. Third, secure design elements. Nike's app includes trusted payments methods like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and credit cards. By displaying security icons like SSL certificates or secure payment badges, users feel confident that data is protected. Fourth, visual feedback. After completing a payment, Nike provides immediate confirmation, whether it's for the product order or a subscription. This positive feedback ensures that the users are aware their transaction was successful, which enhances the overall experience. What are the learnings from Nike's payment flow? Nike's payment section is effective for several reasons. Let's break it down. First, trust signals. Nike's incorporate trusted payment partners like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and credit cards. This helps users feel confident about the safety of their payment information. Second, clarity and transparency. Nike presents clear pricing for both physical products and subscription plans. The app provides detailed description of what the user will get for the price, building trust. Third, streamlined checkout. Nike's payment process is seamless. Users don't have to go through a long, complicated process to make a purchase. The fewer steps, the better. Fourth, integration with Nike Store. When users are ready to buy products, Nike's app directs them to the Nike Store, where the payment flow continues with minimal friction. This provides a consistent shopping experience across the Nike ecosystem. Even with all these positives, there are still areas for improvement, such as offering more payment options like installment plans or buy now, pay later services, which could enhance the flexibility of their payment options. Tips for the designing payment section. Here are some practical tips for designing payment section based on Nike's approach. First, keep it simple. The fewer steps, the better. Nike's payment flow is fast with clear option for user to choose their product or subscription and quick checkout. Second, offer multiple payment options. Nike supports Apple Pay, Google Pay, and credit cards, but you might consider adding other options like PayPal or alternative payment methods to cater to different user preferences. Third, Be transparent. Nike is transparent about pricing and what's included with the purchase. Whether users are buying physical products or a subscription, clarity in pricing and benefits is key. Use trust signal. Always show security icons such as SSL certificates or trusted payment provider logos. Nike's use of well known payment partners reassures users that their payment information is safe. Fifth, offer feedback after payment. When user completes a purchase, provide immediate confirmation. Nike does this well by offering instant feedback after successful transaction, which enhance user trust. Why design matters in payment sections. When it comes to payment, the design can significantly impact the user experience. Nike creates a simple, secure, and clear payment flow that's effective for both physical product purchases and subscriptions. Whether it's upgrading to premium content or buying a pair of sneakers, Nike ensures the process is smooth and without friction. However, there is always a room for improvement. For example, adding installment payments for premium subscription or buy now pay later options for products could offer users more flexibility, enhancing the overall payment experience. Thanks for listening. Let's stay connected for upcoming videos in the future. Hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. It's just one click away. And don't forget to share this with your friends, family, or anyone who loves sports technology. Or leave us a review or a comment. See you next time.